So this movie starts by showing Null, who has been imprisoned on a planet named Kilinther, and it is told that everyone on this planet is his children, who are called symbiotes, who are all subject to Null's rule as well as oppression. When Null's oppression increased, then symbiotes got fed up and made a plan and imprisoned their own king. Null wants to free himself from this captivity, for which he needs something called a codex, which was created by the symbiote Venom and Eddie. This symbiote is currently on Earth, and now it lives inside Eddie's body like a parasite. Well, Null had to free himself from his prison at any cost, and has to achieve that device, i.e. codex. For this, he makes a plan and sends big creatures named xenophages over the universe to track down the codex and bring it back to Null. But this task is not so easy. Xenophages can only be able to track codex when the Venom symbiote will have completely taken control of Eddie's body. Now the scene is cut and we are shown Eddie, who was sitting outside and talking to someone. Suddenly a portal opened behind him, and the portal took him inside. He pulled him and came to know that he has now reached another universe. In this universe too, he is currently on planet Earth. And one shocking thing he has come to know is that the whole world is searching for him and his Venom symbiote. But here, Eddie and Venom decide that they will go to New York and blackmail a certain man who can get them out of this whole situation. Now, before they can leave the city, both of them see that some people had caught innocent dogs, which they were going to take inside the fighting competition. The lives of these dogs were in danger, and in order to save these dogs, Eddie and Venom symbiote start fighting with these people. It was not very difficult for Venom symbiote to fight with humans. He easily controlled all the people, and in the end, he ate their heads. Later, both of them freed the dogs from the clutches of those goons. Now they were ready to go to New York. Now on the way we see that Venom symbiote had taken complete control over Eddie's body. Due to which xenophage present around him comes to know about his location. This scene cuts and we see Area 51, which is an underground facility. Inside this facility, we can see that a lady scientist who has imprisoned many symbiotes, who had come here on the ground along with Venom symbiote. Along with the lady scientist, we see a soldier named Rex, who came here to study symbiotes. He wanted to know why these symbiotes had come to the world and what he wanted from the world. Lady scientist starts telling Rex about symbiotes, which like a parasite can live with any other creature. At this time, the lady scientist is looking for such a creature with whom symbiotes can establish a good relationship, but till now she has not been successful in this mission. Here now the lady scientist gets the news that they have found a man who already has a very good relationship with symbiotes, but this man is not cooperating with them, is not giving them much information about symbiotes, and is not talking to them. It seems that the man is not talking about symbiotes because the symbiote with which he had synced himself left him alone to die. Here the lady scientist gives this man another symbiote to sync, i.e. to make a relationship with him. She also tells him that all these symbiotes are the children of a creature named Null, and how because of his cruelty, Null wanted to kill all these symbiotes. But all these symbiotes rebelled and imprisoned Null. And became free from there. Null now wants to free himself from his imprisonment, for which he needs the codex. It can be supposed that the codex is the key to his imprisonment, and that codex has been created by one of the symbiotes. But of all the symbiotes that I have here, none of them have the codex dot, and to get the SAM codex, Null has sent a lot of xenophage to Earth. Here we know that codex is with Venom Symbiote and Eddie. Now the scene shifts again, where we saw that while traveling, Venom Symbiote had completely taken control of Eddie's body. And because of that, a xenophage also tracked them dot, and now as he comes after them to take the codex, then here we are shown a very powerful shot of the movie, in which Venom Symbiote and Eddie are facing xenophage. They are fighting on top of the plane. Their fight does not last long, because xenophage is killed after being stuck into the engine of the plane dot. But now one good thing that happened from this incident was that Venom Symbiote had become smart. He knew that when he has complete control over Eddie's body, a xenophage will track him. So now he has started avoiding controlling Eddie's body. And he himself has told this to Eddie as well. As soon as he said this, he threw Eddie out of the plane. And to save him, he started flying towards him like a parachute. Now Eddie did not know much about who the creature that attacked him was and what it wanted. Here Venom Symbiote tells him that that creature was Xenophage, who is sent by Null. Actually, Null wants to take Codex, which is the key to his imprisonment, and both of us have made. If any of us dies, the key will be ended. Eddie was confused about when he prepared the Codex. Venom Symbiote tells him the whole old story, where they must have created the Codex. Now, the men of Rakes see them talking, that is, soldiers who wanted to find one such symbiote that had linked himself with any human and could talk to him, and know what is the purpose of his coming to this world. Eddie himself was not very strong, but somehow he tried to escape from these soldiers.